Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to create infographic slide animations in Microsoft PowerPoint. So how to create infographic slide animations in Microsoft PowerPoint? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Now here I will create a design slide animation like this. First, enter our PowerPoint on a computer or laptop. Now here it is on the PowerPoint workpage. Next, we make a background. Enter the design section. To the right of the background format. Down here. In the color section. Tap and change the color as desired. Next, we make Kidak. Enter the Insert menu. Tap to Shapes. Select Rectangle. Like this. Then we use the cursor like I did this. Adjust the number and size to your needs. Change the position of the rectangle. Select Rotation at the top. Flip Vertical. Next we make a circle. At the top right, click Circle. And set the direction as I did. Then block both. Go to the Format menu. To the right select Shapes Format, change to Subtract. Change Color. Select Shapes Fill. Select the desired color. Then go to the Shapes Outline menu, select No Outline. And then go to the Format menu. On the right a menu of options will appear. And select Shadow. In color change black. In transparency, change to 77. In size change, 107. Blur to 0. And distance change to 0. Then create a rectangle lag. In the upper right select rectangle. Then we use the cursor like I did this. The number and size adjust to your needs. Change the position of the rectangle. Set the position. After that change the color. Shape Fill. And select the color as I did. And go to the upper right. Select Send to Back. After that we make text for the rectangle. In the upper right. Tap Text Box. Enter text and set the text box as I did. Set the position and color. Then copy the text. Enter text and set the text box as I did. Set the position and color. Then copy the text. Enter text and set the text box as I did. Set the position and color. Now let's enter the animation. Tap the bottom box. Go to Animation. Select Float IN. And to the right of the screen. In the Start section, change Next Previous. Duration to 0.50. Delay change to 0.05. Then block the top text and also the top box. Select Float IN. And to the right of the screen. In the Start section, change Next Previous. Duration to 0.50. Delay change to 0.05. Then block the bottom text. Go to Animation. Select the arrow. Select Zoom. After that block all. Copy and paste. Then move. Copy and paste again as much as needed. Here I am up to 5. At number 2 change text. And change the color of the bag box according to what I did. Adjust to your needs and combine. Do it again on the other boxes, do it with the same steps as I did earlier. After that we run PowerPoint. Well, here the slide animation has moved. So that's it. Tutorial how to create infographic slide animations in Microsoft PowerPoint. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.